Good morning, students. Today we will learn about Unit 3 Prose Empowered Woman Navigating the World. The real power of women is currently being projected to the world by the advancement of technology and media. Women occupy almost all the major positions in society. At present, their accomplishments are tremendous in many fields. One such advancement is all women Indian Navy crew who traveled all over the world for 254 days in a sailboat called INSV Tarini. Next, INSV stands for Indian Naval Ship Vessel. Tara Tarini is the patron deity for sailors and is worshipped for safety and success at sea. This INSV Tarini is the second sailboat of the Indian Navy. It is a 55 feet sailing vessel built in India by Aquarius Shipyard Private Limited, located in Goa. It was taken into service by the Indian Navy on 18th February 2017. Navika Sagar Parikrama was a project undertaken in agreement with the national policy to empower women to attain their full potential. The voyage was aimed to showcase Make in India initiative by sailing on boat built INSV Tarini. The Indian Navy had a 6-woman crew. Lieutenant Commander Vatika Joshi was the captain of the crew. The all-woman team included Lieutenant Commander Pratibha Zamwal, Lieutenant Commander Swati Patrapalli, Lieutenant Aishwarya Podapatti, Lieutenant Sri Vijaya Devi, and Lieutenant Payal Gupta. Next, the crew started their voyage on 10th September 2017 from Goa, flagged off by the Defence Minister of India. It was a historic day and it covered the expedition in 5 legs with stopovers at 4 ports. They went around the globe in 254 days and returned Goa port on 21st May 2018. These 6 members of women crew broke many stereotypes during their record-setting sail. This crew had shared their experiences about their great voyage in an interview. We really come to know their difficulties and unpredictable challenges they have faced all through their expeditions in this interview. Vatika Joshi said that none of them was acquainted with a sailboat, but they slowly built upon it through 3 years of training. The training they had was some theoretical courses on navigation, communication, and weather prediction. Aishwarya stated that they underwent their basic training courses in Mumbai at the Indian Naval Watermanship Training Center. They were trained for almost 3 years to prepare for the voyage. The selection process was that out of 30 women, 6 of them were shortlisted. The crew was mentored by Commander Dilip Dande. Vatika Joshi wanted to make sure that she completed the journey with ultimate honesty. They completed this journey without the use of the engine at all. Payal Gupta told the interviewer that it was their team effort which had actually helped them in navigating through the 20 hours long storm at sea. They witnessed the brilliant southern lights from the sea. It was rare to watch that in those months from the sea. They also picked some hobbies and kept posting pictures of delicacies like pani puri and cakes. They read books when the weather was pleasant. Swati used to cook delicious dishes with the limited resources that they had on the boat. They celebrated Diwali at sea and 3 birthdays, including the first birthday of the boat. As women, it is a matter of great honor. This expedition is a great boost to women in the country to take up adventures like sailing around the world.